In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Notion. If you've been working with financial databases or tracking expenses in Notion, you might find the need to change the currency format for clarity and precision. Whether you're dealing with dollars, euros, or any other currency, customizing the currency format can make your data more relevant to your needs. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you're set up accurately and efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the database within your Notion workspace where you have your financial data stored. As you bring your cursor over to the database, it should highlight, indicating that you can interact with it. This visual cue is a simple yet effective way to ensure you're working within the right table. Once you've located the database, the next step is to identify the column that's currently displaying monetary values. Your goal here is to click on the column heading of this particular field, often labeled something along the lines of price or cost. By selecting the column name, you're effectively preparing to make changes to this entire category of data. With the column selected, it's time to delve into the column's property settings. You'll want to click on Property Type, which allows you to specify what kind of data this column holds. In this case, you'll need to choose Number as the property type. This step ensures that Notion recognizes the values in this column as numbers rather than text or another data type. Now, with the property type set to number, you'll notice an option labeled Number Format. Click on the drop-down menu associated with this. Here, you'll find various formats for numbers, and among these options will be a list of currency types. It's a versatile tool that makes customizing financial data straightforward and intuitive. From here, you simply need to select your desired currency from the drop-down menu. Whether you're working with US dollars, British pounds, or any other form of currency, you should be able to find the symbol that corresponds with your preference. This selection tailors your database to reflect the currency symbols and potentially the formats that align with your financial records. Finally, once you choose the appropriate currency, Notion will automatically apply this currency symbol to every value within that column. This transformation occurs instantly, ensuring every monetary figure is now displayed with the correct currency signifier. It's as easy as that, simple yet incredibly effective for organizing and presenting your financial data clearly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the currency in your Notion database, allowing for a more accurate and relevant presentation of financial information. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing with Notion.